ABC farewell. A. A is for alphabet, which we know how to say. B. B is for busy bodies at work and play. C. C is for colors red, yellow, blue, and green. D. D is for drawing pictures the best you've ever seen. E. E is for exercise to keep our bodies strong. F. F is for fun we've had as we've gone along. G. G is for the good friends we've made throughout the year. H. H is for happy faces, filled with love and cheer. I. I is for imagination used at every turn. J. J is for good jobs and the praises we have earned. K. K is for kindergarten. Hip, hip, hooray. L. L is for learning more and more each day. M. M is for minding and showing our respect. N. N is for numbers. 1, 2, 3, correct? O. O is for the obstacles we have learned to overcome. P. P is for puppets and for playing rhythms on a drum. Q. Q is for all the questions we've asked throughout the year. R. R is for reading stories, even those that bring a tear. S. S is for different snacks, several we have tried. T. T is for talking, it's not to be denied. U. U is for unusual, it fits some things we've done. V. V is for volunteers, parents and everyone. W. W is for the world of words we've barely dipped into. X. X is for extra special kids. It's him, it's her, it's you. Y. Y is for yes. It has been a great year. Z. Z is for first grade zest. We're ready, have no fear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.